Welcome back to next session. In this session, we are looking how to use the alignment part in the Excel formatting. So Excel formatting the ngarangi mamangi lecture da koina phone ki matang formatting towa koina tangre. Today we are going to learn about this orientation. Orientation A B na kogi lay mo chingi sida lay ribo si orientation. Orientation sina tawdoi sina karino ay kanda nangi Excel sheet da lay iba text to gi orientation vertical oina ibe hajik ibasi horizontal ni adu vertically oina ige haragadi natraga slanted oina ige haragadi decline oiba mong da ige haragadi kamaina tawgudage habado sigi formatting sina tawgane bako. So let's see this one. Now this is in the horizontal format. So basically what it is going is, it is going to increase the height of the cell. Suppose let's delete this one and make it normal. Okay, so let's make it just like this. Okay, now so underline toba italic bold look to. Now Excel basic and iriba posi aina horizontally igi haragadi select the cell do select obiro aduga orientation gi icon sida chango click and choose any of the style which you want. Suppose for example if I choose vertical text, let's see how it change. So it is writing Excel basic in a vertical way. So basically kari dora sina cell dia maghatani ladies, but it is the height of the cell is increased to fit the text. Hanagi original form da aina mo halaga proke haragadi go back to the orientation and deactivate it. Active oraga ladies select oraga round on ladies active way hiring. Deactivate it, it will come back to the original format and it is a dynamic automatically adjusted the height of the cell. Let's check this one. AB, see, so this is writing actually not in horizon vertical, but it is changing the whole text. Sidamuk easy ko siga amaduga hanagi duga kari khenige Excel basic you know vertical text size amana e axis chumna sum makhada sum e apane amana text to prop orient toropane 90 degree the move toropane sigi rotate aisina rotate text down sina vertical agari orient lay ma angle do adigi vertical text amam tang magi chumna dum iraga e ay chumna dum layri sidana Excel sidana e je chumna e debo layra 90 degree da mo slant rotate or ga irakpane so ani gi difference ni hana gi original back la ke haraga de say just deactivate it or say sidam format sidana koina manually check to budare sidana namaga sigi angang basa sidana moduga aina paami ba monguda sumena faina sumen lagane karama matam sinai sele koina tax yamna chawba adu da kitang faina iragadi chalhangadoba adu mamong da koina sigi posing sinai. Normally you just need to know it when and how to use it, that you can apply in your workbook. Okay, next is let's bring this back to the original form. Deactivate it, let's delete this one. Okay, now next equine alignment, the alignment the left align, center align, right align, and then this is top align, center align, bottom align. Omni ladies sales si kitang chawon si ko duga khangani bottom ni center ni habs si hojik ladies si bottom align the sale apak pa si machum sang si ko khangna na ba si blue machu ki sale si mathak the space mayam lay si bottom align oi begin. If I click here then it will be aligned to the top, but if I click this one it will be aligned to the center of the height. Then this is left align. Now if I click here adu oragadi si center line oigene cell sigi mathak su makha su loinamak mayai legani amsung left su right su ani gi mayai de legane so this is left right align then it is right align. Let's go again to left align. Then what is the use of this indent? Indent is karino tawduisa. Say center have a kandamaya the lie, but if I want left, but still I want a little bit of space between the border and the text, then I have to do this increase indent. See how it changed. So a little bit space sama border dagi text mo manung dal hen. Kita mo hen. See yo raga di amuka center line is up manare. So mena. Adu mana tabida aina tawge haragadi si indian senmaga tawbe right align amuk tawse aduga decrease tawse increase ko sumena ne align indian machama pibgi sina nebasin. The next one is we are going to do wrap text and center and merge and center. So let's do it. Let's take another text here. Table gumbada masisen ko excuse me. Say mapamagi kogi satra class 10 की छात्रसंघ की टेबल में डेटा में मार्क्स के है तारे सब्जेक्ट मार्क्स the pass mark percentage इधर ले रहे subject science SC English maths for example इधर mark 100 ni pass mark माना फंग 75 ni then what is the percentage we will calculate okay 75%. असुमाइना English की 100 mark ले रहे माना 85 फंगे मैथ्स की 120 मार्क ले रहे 92 फंगे परसेंट फंगे हाइरिबा सिगी मार्क टेबुलेशन से क्या गिनो क्लास 10 गिने only for class 10. I have some other record for class 9 also ado sida class 10 गिने हाइबा सिदा मागी सिगी कलम सिदा लेसे ado aina sida so mo class 10 loina class 10 गिने खंगना ना बा aina sida so mo e gadra so this is absolutely wrong so many e gado banate akoi ama khaktang e raga hairiba table si pull up na aina so mena merge to bata merge and center alignment hai se sinagane when I click this one then this whole table will belong to class 10 that belong to gane hallaga mug lok ke merge oil logi hairagati right click again because this is gray out no a little bit darker it means then it is active it is selected so just click again then it will separate it into individual 4 cells hana lerambadu ko chap manna legani hallaga muka ohinge haradi select and merge so select and merge si kari se nei table da heading amad se nei heading singi makha ta tongan ba columns mem like columns sing mo on the belong to we haragadi top ki lege dori ba heading do adu ekoina merge and center alignment to we merge and center alignment si ga to pasin afama to pasu leiri adu makha tar pa ko gi lecture sing da matang lakani only for this lecture gi di ko gi and rep text na kadai de amuk kadai sina kadai suppose let's take another sheet here. I'm typing today in Excel. Basically, see the text in cell A the never in see when I click cell A1, it shows that what it is contained, what is the text in that cell. But when the moment I click cell B1, there is a blank, means it has nothing. But text B the so C the so D the so E the so loina ure karigi hairiba cell A gi leiriba space sida chande overflowing ne batawri si overflowing tawri overflow tohalloge text cell du gi manungda chalhange haragadi we have the option called wrap text in number matamda it will basically fit the content of the cell into one single cell by adjusting its height width or whatever. So let's click it so it is fitting in that cell only. Now if I adjust the width of the cell, then it will adjust automatically. Then I can align top. See, I can align center, I can align bottom. If I decrease the width, it will again try to fit it. So wrap text in aikoina cell amagi manungda fit tawonge hairagadi wrap text we used to use it. Sigi lecture sigi wenadi formatting alignment asigini next lecture da number formatting matanga tangani. So thank you. Please come back to the next chapter.